Drink FENUGREEK with milk and see what happens to your body. But beware of this mistake that millions of people make when drinking FENUGREEK with milk. What happens to you when you drink FENUGREEK with milk? How do you drink FENUGREEK with milk the right way? What is the best time to drink FENUGREEK with milk? What diseases can be treated with FENUGREEK with milk? Does drinking FENUGREEK with milk treat weakness in men and prostatitis? What are the benefits of FENUGREEK with milk? For diabetics, high blood pressure patients, heart patients, and liver patients, you will learn the answers to all these questions with us. But before we start, if you drink FENUGREEK with milk, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome. Did you know that nutrition experts around the world have proven that adding milk to FENUGREEK will give you a priceless health treasure? This mixture is not just an ordinary drink, but a treasure that hides within its folds the secrets of wellness and health. What distinguishes this mixture is not only its delicious taste, but also its multiple health benefits that go beyond the limits of nutrition and treatment. When diving into the world of FENUGREEK with milk, we discover that this magical mixture has the ability to confront all contemporary diseases with courage and effectiveness. When you take a mixture of FENUGREEK with milk, it works on regulating blood sugar levels. FENUGREEK with milk is rich in fiber and minerals that help improve insulin secretion and glucose metabolism, making it an ideal choice for controlling blood sugar levels, especially for type 2 diabetics. Supporting heart health. FENUGREEK drink with milk helps improve cardiovascular health by lowering harmful cholesterol levels in the body and promoting healthy blood flow, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Increase testosterone and support prostate health. Drinking this drink helps reduce inflammation of the prostate and support its normal function, especially thanks to the plant compounds in FENUGREEK, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Some research has shown that testosterone levels in men experience a significant increase when consuming FENUGREEK and milk at the same time, increasing by up to 46%. FENUGREEK and milk gain their ability to increase testosterone from their high content of saponins, which are compounds that stimulate the body's testosterone production, improving digestion and losing weight. A FENUGREEK drink with milk works as a natural laxative as it helps relieve constipation and improves digestive system function thanks to the soluble fiber in FENUGREEK, which helps improve bowel movement. In addition, this drink enhances the feeling of fullness and helps with weight loss as it enhances the feeling of fullness for long periods, which contributes to reducing the craving for food. Liver support. Regularly consuming FENUGREEK with milk promotes liver health by purifying the body of harmful toxins, thanks to FENUGREEK's antioxidant properties, which protect the liver, enhance its capacity, and improve its enzymes. Maintaining kidney health. A FENUGREEK drink with milk helps improve kidney function by regulating kidney filtration and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Thanks to its rich content of important nutrients, it helps cleanse the kidneys of any adhering substances, thus improving kidney function. And now, the best healthy recipe for a FENUGREEK and milk mixture. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon FENUGREEK seeds, 1 cup of milk, and 4 cloves. Preparation: soak the FENUGREEK seeds in water for 6 hours. Boil the milk with the cloves for 2 minutes. Then add the strained FENUGREEK seeds to the milk. Let it boil for 5 minutes, strain the mixture well, and serve hot. You can also add a spoonful of honey for sweetness. This mixture is beneficial for everyone, whether sick or healthy. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.